shut me down on MTV, but it feels so empty without me. So come on and dance, bum on your lips, bump that, come on your lips, and some on your tits, and get ready. This shit's about to get heavy. I just settled on my law, so fuck you, Debbie. This looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. I said this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me.